This is part 13 of how to value an option using the binomial tree. Let me summarize. So this is the American put option we did earlier. Let's do a quick summary of what we have done. So the process of using binomial tree to value an option. First step, find these values. These are the things we need as input. T is the length of time step. U is the amount of stock price movement if it move up. D is the amount of movement down when the stock price move down. P is probability of an up movement. 1 minus P, probability of down movement. Second step, we construct a tree for the stock price, not the option, just the stock. So we put in the initial stock price. We have the U and the D, so we construct a tree of the underlying stock price. Third step, I value the option. Now there are 4 variations here: European call, European put, American call, American put. For the call and the put, we apply this formula no matter whether it's European or American. The difference between European and American is that for European, I apply the formula here only at the end. We don't apply this to these places. So I find the value of the option. So red is my stock price. Purple is my option price. So I find the value of the option there, and with this I discount the amounts back using this, if you remember this. So this is the European call or put. If it's a European call, put this formula in each of these places and calculate. If it's European put this into here. On the other hand, for American option, slightly different. The reason is for American option, I can exercise anytime. So here, instead of checking the formula at the end, I have to do every single note. I have to check first. So this is one of the different features between American and European. So extra step would be check using this formula for every note and put down how much it is if I exercise. In the second step, then assume what if I hold the option until the end. So I take the max value here and I do the times P, 1 minus P, go back in each place, and at this point something special here. I have to compare the two. This is the process of thinking about, I have 2 choices. One is I exercise right away, how much will I get? My second choice, I keep the option, do not exercise, I hold, later on I would get this profit. Compare the two, and at each point we only leave the bigger, larger profit behind. The smaller value disappears. So here, when I calculate this, I take the bigger amounts to find the value here, and then I compare. So this is the special thing about American option in our case. So here, this concludes the using binomial tree to value an option. Hope this would help.